Today's video is so exciting. I just got back from my Dominican Republic trip and I just received this FabFitFun box. Oh my god, thank you so much FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I'm feeling this whole fall season vibe. Let's do a quick unboxing and then I'm gonna do my hair with the products, maybe do a pumpkin pie. It's gonna be a nice, fun, different, juicy video, so let's get right into it. If you're like me and you love trying out new different makeup, hair care products, skincare, or even just stuff for your house, you are going to love FabFitFun. So there are two ways to sign up. You can either do it seasonally or annually. With the seasonal box, you do get billed every 3 months. And if you pay annually, you just pay upfront, but you get a very nice big discount. You do get 20% off your first box when you sign up as a seasonal member. And if you sign up for the annual membership, you get a $200 gift. So I don't know what that gift is, but I mean, something that's free and is $200 is always like a nice little surprise. I do have a code, so I'm gonna put it right here. It's just my name, Julissa, and you can get 20% off your seasonal box. So let's get right into unboxing everything. So I got some hair products that I'm gonna be using today. Love Bonsai Boost, so excited to be getting a Bonsai Boost spray in my box. This is the HG Heat Protectant Spray. By the way, what I love about FabFitFun is that you're able to select most of these products yourself. So for me, I love hair care, so I decided to pick some hair care products, but they also have makeup if you rather get makeup products. This is another hair care product. This is from Oribe. This is the Serene Scalp Oil Control Dry Shampoo Powder. Might use this later just to add some volume to the blowout. And then of course, I love Ceremonia. This is the Guava Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to be using that as well. And the thing about these boxes is that they have a value of $350. And if you do the annual membership, you're paying $65 per month. So even cheaper. So you save an extra $60 when you do the annual membership, and with my code you get the free $200 gift. And all these products are full-sized products, so I'm getting about 6 full-sized products right here, and there's a bonus 7th product in your fall box. Only the fall box only, you get a 7th full-sized product. These are very customizable. You get 4 of these a year, every quarter. This is the fall box, so the next one will be my winter box. Super excited about that. I picked most of these items. How cute is this? This is for you to put your creamer, sugar in here. So cute. I'm definitely gonna put this where I put my coffee. I just decorated my dining table for the fall, and I'm definitely gonna be adding these to the table. These are salt and pepper shakers. They're in the form of like a little pumpkin. How cute. I love the fall. The fall is definitely my favorite season, hands down. I just love it. I love the fall blowouts, the fall fashion. I love pumpkin spice everything. Love the weather. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. I mean, I just love the fall. I'm gonna try for the first time today to do a pumpkin pie, so we'll do that later. But I mean, how cute is this for you to make your pumpkin pie? I also saw that they had the matching like spatula for this. Is that what you call them? So I decided to get both of them. This is by Noon and Moon, and this alone is over the price of the box. So again, you're getting a really nice deal. And of course I had to get this beautiful apron. This is my first apron ever. I just realized the other day that I don't even have an apron. Like my husband has like 3 and I have none. So this is super cute to just use in the kitchen. I'm gonna use it later. Anyways, I'm gonna start doing my hair now with the products that came in the box. But if you guys wanna sign up, I'm gonna put everything in the description box down below. Again, use my code so you can get those discounts. And yeah, get right into customizing your boxes. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Ceremonia Guava Leave-In Conditioner. This alone is $29, so almost $30 for this. That is almost like half of what you pay for the box. So I'm just adding this to all my hair, and this retails for $25. And so this dry shampoo powder that also came in my box retails for $46. So if you were to buy only the hair products, these 3 hair products, you're already spending way more than you would spend on the box. And we're not even mentioning all the other stuff that you still get in the box. So when I tell you that this box is a deal, it is such a deal. It is a steal. I'm gonna divide my hair into a couple of sections so I can dry it a lot easier. All right, you guys, I'm doing my hair now with the small wavy top blow dryer. Alright you guys, I'm gonna finish doing all my hair and I'll be back with the final blowout look and then we'll move on to the heated round brush. Okay you guys, I'm done with the blowout. This is what my hair is looking like after using this mini blow dryer brush from Wavy Talk. I have to say, I mean, it did take me a little bit longer to dry all my hair because this isn't as powerful as another regular sized blow dryer. Like for example, the original one that they have of this is just a little bit bigger. It is a little bit more powerful than this one. So it did take me a little bit longer to do all my hair, but not bad for just a blowout. And if you want something that's good for traveling, that's small, you're gonna like this. But now as a second step, I definitely want to use this new heated round brush. I think this is gonna make the blowout just overall look a lot more sleek. So let's get right into using this. This hair tool is so easy to use and it gives you such a nice like 90s blowout look. I mean, how nice is that? And you get a very nice tight curl. I mean, look at that. It looks like if I used a curling iron. So with this hair tool, I like to smooth out the roots first and the rest of my hair as well. So I'll just brush my hair down with this. I'll do about 2 passes, just like that. And then I'll flip the brush. So I'll take it from the back and vertically like this. And then I'll just start to create some curls. So I'll hold for a little bit, twist down, and I mean, look at that curl. How cute. I'm gonna clip this big section right here just to keep it kind of like away from my face as well. I wanna keep everything nice and organized. This heated round brush is so good. I love it. I've been using it for so long now. All right, let's take off these clips. I mean, how stunning. All right, so now I want to add a little tiny bit of this dry shampoo that also came in the box just to add even more volume, even though my hair looks pretty voluminous. I love the packaging of this. It's so different. Dry shampoo is used mostly when your hair is dirty and when it's pretty oily. My hair is clean obviously today because I just washed my hair, but I do want to use a little bit just to add even more volume. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this dry shampoo literally right on my scalp. Just a little bit of this, about that much. Divide the hair and do the same thing up here, a little bit in the middle. And I'm just literally applying this at the top of my head on the roots, dividing my hair, just applying a little bit of this section per section. You can let it sit for a little bit or you can just get right into shaking everything up. Make sure you get rid of that white cast. All right, you guys, so yeah, my hair is looking so fun, so voluminous. I'm gonna go downstairs now and I'm gonna put on my apron and we're gonna get right into cooking. All right, you guys, welcome to my dining room area. I feel like I never bring you guys to this side of the house, which I feel like I should because it's just so fun to decorate the house and I love doing it. But these are the salt and pepper shakers that I got in the FabFitFun box. So I don't know if I should be putting them in the table somewhere, maybe like around here somewhere. Like, don't they just fit perfectly with the decoration that I have right now? Like, how cute are these little pumpkins? It's like you got the big one in the center and then these smaller ones following it. Love, love, love the decoration that I did for the fall. And so this is my coffee area. I love this area because I literally use it every single day. And yes, I do have 3 coffee machines because, I mean, why not? They're all different in their own way, okay? But this kind of goes with the vibes. I got it in the box as well. And this I'm gonna use for sugar and this I'm gonna use for creamer. So adorable. And if I have visitors over, they can just open this, have some sugar, and then I can also put some creamer in here and make everything look super, super cute. So yeah, excited to see how I play with that. And now let's try and make the pumpkin pie. I'm gonna use some of this pie crust because guys, I'm no chef. So I'm gonna use the easiest pie crust that I can find. I mean, how easy is this? Sizing is perfect. This is the first time I bake anything other than brownies that I do an okay job. Just make it look even and pretty. All right, so that's what it's looking like. Not bad. Let's mix all the ingredients. So 2 eggs first. The recipe says 3/4 cup of sugar, but I'm not gonna add too much. I did about 3/4. Gonna add a pinch of salt, just a little bit. Pumpkin pie spice, that I don't have. I hope cinnamon is good enough. 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. I have condensed milk. Let's use that. I'm gonna add some condensed milk. I heard that this brand is the best for this. Just gonna add the whole thing. I ain't no chef, but I like eyeballing stuff too and tasting as I go. And of course, we gotta add the pumpkin puree. We're just gonna add the whole thing, all the pumpkin. I love pumpkin. I'm gonna add more cinnamon because I love cinnamon, so I'm just gonna add a pretty good amount. This is looking so freaking good, you guys, and it smells amazing. So it says I gotta bake at 425 for 15 minutes, reduce temp to 350, and bake for 40 to 50 minutes. Wow, this is a process. Okay, let's add this right into the crust. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. The color is so nice, and it smells so good. I really wish you guys could smell this. It smells like a pumpkin spice latte. Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes first, then bring the temperature down and leave it there for another 40 to 60 minutes. Let's do this. And then I'm just gonna show you guys the final look, I guess. And we're gonna taste it together. Now I gotta let it cool down for 2 hours, but oh my God, it looks so delicious. And it smells amazing. I cannot wait to taste this. This is what it's looking like. You think it looks good?
It looks literally picture perfect.
Oh my God, let's try this.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a good pie.
Not bad.
Not bad
for my first pie, okay? Right? Pumpkin spice whipped cream. The pumpkin pie is ready. Let's try it. I got this pumpkin spice whipped cream, so let's put a little bit of that right on top. Wow! This is so good. Okay, I'm proud of myself. Well, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. It was a little bit different. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to get your FabFitFun boxes. If you are gonna sign up, definitely use my code so you can save some money. I'll put it right here again. Julissa for the seasonal box and JULISSAGIFT for the annual membership. Thank you again, FabFitFun, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.